Welcome back to Business Communication class. My dear students, in our previous class, we discussed about the essentials of communication. And before that, we discussed the features, characteristics, we discussed about the communication. So let us discuss in our today's session types of communication. What are the types of communication? As I said, communication is nothing but exchanging the ideas, thoughts, information. Okay, so here, which all type we used while communicating. So today in today's session, we will discuss the types of communication. So my dear students, in types there are two types we use methods and medias. In the types again there are two types, that is methods of communication and medias of communication. So these things we will discuss in our today's session one by one. So as already we know the business communication meaning, it is communication is interchange of thoughts, opinions or information by speech, writing or by signs. So which all signs we use, which all symbols we use, how we speak verbally, non-verbally, how we send the messages, what all medias we can use, that we will see in our today's session. So, the methods of communication are, the first one is verbal communication, oral communication, and the second one is non-verbal communication. Non-verbal means it may be written, it may be by using the gestures, postures, anything. So, verbal, non-verbal. So, there are two methods of communication. Here, methods are the means followed to express the ideas uh, in a manner of expressing the thoughts, emotions, feelings, etc. The sender's ideas or thoughts are converted into message here. Such a message has to be transmitted to the receiver. The language used is a method, and sometimes pictures and actions are also used for the same purpose. These are the ways of forming the messages. So, methods of communication here, there are two methods are there: verbal communication and non-verbal communication. So, my dear students, we will discuss this verbal and non-verbal communication in detail one by one. So again, verbal communication is classified into four categories. Before I go to these methods, let us discuss what is an verbal communication. Verbal communication is using language or words is called as verbal communication. Such a language or the word may be used for preparing written message. So that is called as written communication, or for speaking out to others, that is oral communication. So verbal also includes audible, visual verbal, audio visual verbal, like this. Verbal communication, that is what we have seen in the this one in this slide. The non-verbal communication means what? And it is broader sense, all actions, pictures, symbols, signs used to transmit the messages meaningfully without using language or words is non-verbal. So non-verbal communication as an independent method here, it will be used only in rare cases, and in most of the circumstances it is combined along with the verbal method. So non-verbal may be either audio, only heard, or visual, only seen, or audio visual, that is both heard and seen. So here we will not talk. For example, advertisement, we'll just watch the advertisement, we just see it, we will not talk there. So that is also non-verbal communication sometimes. So verbal communication, what are the verbal communication, non-verbal communication, in detail we will discuss in our this session. So, understood verbal communication and non-verbal communication. Verbal communication is using language, and the non-verbal communication is without using the language, that is by using pictures, symbols, signs, like this. Okay, so let us move to the next slide here. Here, verbal communication is again classified into four categories. There are four methods in verbal again. Methods of verbal communications are oral communication, written communication, audio verbal communication, and here visual verbal communication. So once again we will discuss in detail one by one these methods. Oral communication is expressing through spoken words. What we are doing now, I am taking class, I am giving you lecture. This is oral communication through the speech, either face to face or through any electrical devices such as phone, teleconferences, voicemail, etc. The online classes, video classes, what we are sending you people now, this is a oral communication. We are using the language here, we are expressing our thoughts, we are speaking here through the speech, either face to face or through any electric devices. So this is oral communication, example of oral communication. Interviews, meetings, conferences are the forms of oral communication. So oral communication is a method as well as a media of communication. And the next one is written communication. So written communication is expressing through words, written words. So written communication is in the form of letters, circulars, reports, telegrams, manuals, templates, books, papers, etc. So written, here they use the languages, words and also it is verbal communication. And the next one is audio-verbal, that is audio-verbal. So oral communication which is being expressed through mechanical device or a network. That is, for example, announcements, mic announcements, radio, tape recorders are the forms of audio-verbal. Here only we hear the voice. Okay, we hear the voice, that is audio verbal. Through audio we listen the voice, that is audio verbal communication. As I said, announcements, radio, tape recorders and all other example for the audio verbal communication. And the next one is visual verbal communication. Visual means where we can see the oral as well as written messages being expressed through mechanical devices like a network PowerPoint presentation, that what I am doing here in this in online class, PPT, PowerPoint presentation, teleconferences, television, a small reels of films, etc. Other forms of audio visual, here audible as well as visual. So we can hear and we can see, both are there. So my dear students, understood visual verbal? So once again I repeat, oral communication, written communication, audio verbal communication and visual verbal communication. Here oral communication means speaking, expressing our words and languages, speeches. Okay, so speeches, teaching in a classroom, this all face to face talking, or else by using the electrical devices, telephone, mobiles and all. These are the example for oral. Here we talk. And then the next one is written communication. Here we express our thoughts, feelings by writing. Okay, written communication is one of it is in the form of letters, circulars and reports, telegrams, etc. Or oral and written. The next one is audio verbal. Here oral communication which is being expressed through mechanical devices. Like mechanical devices, again only audible it is. Audible where we can't see them, only we can hear their voice, like announcements, radio, tape recorder and radio and all. I hope you might have seen these radios and tape recorders. Very long back we used to use the radios and tape recorders. Nowadays only mobiles are there. So radio and tape recorders, we used to hear their voice, we can't see them, so that is only audible, audio verbal. And the visual is visual verbal is here visual verbal the oral as well as written, both. We can see them and we can hear them, like watching television, movies we watch, serials we watch. So we can see them and we can hear their voice also. Both are there, audible as well as visual. So these are the methods of verbal communication. My dear students, I hope you understood. So the next one is methods of non-verbal communication. Methods of non-verbal communication. What are the methods of non-verbal communication here? Audio non-verbal communication, visual non-verbal communication, and audio-visual non-verbal communication. So let us discuss these non-verbal communication one by one. My dear students, as I said, non-verbal means without talking, without using any language. So here, by using only actions, pictures, symbols, signs, for example, traffic symbol, traffic lights, it gives you message. Okay, and traffic rules, traffic arrow marks and all, it gives you some message. And pictures give some messages, signs used to transmit the message meaningfully without using languages. Words and language we are not going to use here, only symbols, pictures, postures and gestures, what we say. Okay, so audio non-verbal, audio is there but it is non-verbal. Okay, there they will not talk, only audio, listening. In audio non-verbal communication, the message is being heard. We can hear. A device or instrument is used to convey the message. For example, in office, boss, when he the bell ringing, whistle, siren, horn, these all are the example of audio non-verbal. Bell, for example, in a college or the school, you can take bell. What does it mean? When bell run, what does it mean? Class over. First class, second bell, second class over. Third bell, third class over. Horn, while going on a road, we give a horn. What does it mean? Give a side, okay, or give a siders. Like this, it gives some messages. And then siren also, work starts and work ends. So it gives some messages. These are the forms of audio non-verbal. Okay, non-verbal without words and language, only audible, only sounds. The next one is visual non-verbal. Here we can see, but if we can't hear anything, only by seeing we should understand. In visual non-verbal method, the communication is being seen. We can see it by receives the gestures, facial expressions, body languages, postures, and then signs, symbols, graphs. For example, cricket graph, or else our education performance graph. What it shows? Ups and downs. It shows us ups means higher, low means the lower, are the forms of visual non-verbal communication. But just seeing the pictures, we can understand graphs and all. If we see the graphs, we immediately understand, yes, this is less, this is more, and they are good, they are bad, like that. Graph shows us it gives a meaning. So here they need not express any words, they need not use any languages there, only graph shows us. So upward and downward communication. So upward, downward, whether it is going up, whether it is coming down, it shows and it gives a meaning also. So here facial expressions, body languages, postures, gestures, etc. Visual non-verbal means we can see that pictures. By seeing, immediately we understand. For example, red light, like while going on the road, the traffic rules, red, green and yellow. Okay, so only by seeing the lights we stop our vehicle, and only by seeing the lights we run away, we go. So this is the visual non-verbal. Visual means we can see. By seeing, immediately we understand. We need not any we do not express anything, only by seeing the postures, gestures and all. we understand. Body languages and all we understand. And the next one is audio visual non-verbal. Audio visual non-verbal. Audio is also there. Visual means we can hear as well as we can see. But there is no words, there is no any language. In this method, message is being heard as well as seen. Both are there. We can see and we can hear. Slides with background music, musical movies, action moment, news for dumb, and reels with sound backgrounds. So are the examples of audio visual non-verbal. While watching movie, for example, I'm just giving you example. For happiness, different sounds means music, background music will come. For unhappy, different music will come. For again shocking, different music will come. Okay, we can see them. Okay, we can hear the music and we can see them, but without talking they give us a meaning, only sounds. So this is the audio visual non-verbal communication. My dear students, I hope all of you understood the methods of communication. Under these methods there are two. One is verbal and second one is non-verbal. So under the verbal communication, again oral communication, written communication, audio verbal communication, visual verbal communication. And in the non-verbal communication methods there are three again: audio non-verbal, visual non-verbal, audio visual non-verbal. I hope you understand. I hope you understood the topic. If you have any doubts, please contact me. I will help you. Have a good day. Thank you.